And Smoke Alarm Saturday was held yesterday statewide. One of the agencies taking part in the campaign was the Greensboro Fire Department. I joined firefighters and volunteers as they went out in the communities to make sure that families were protected with working smoke alarms. It's something many people don't think about too often. Checking their smoke alarms.
I don't even think it's been tested since I've been here for 3 years.
Residents like Nyla Price in Greensboro say they were thankful for the unexpected knock on their doors on Saturday.
It's a good thing somebody's doing it. I actually haven't heard a beep out of mine.
Price says replacing her smoke alarm is important, and she knows it can help prevent tragedy.
I have a friend who lost a 9-month-old baby to a house fire. They had no clue they were asleep. The alarms that they had in the house weren't going off.
Greensboro Fire Chief Jim Robinson says all 37 units and engines were out in the community.
We have a goal for every truck to put up at least 5.
He says the #1 cause of fires in the city is kitchen fires. Most fire victims include the elderly and happen between the hours of 1 and 2 a.m.
We have approximately 300 fires in the city of Greensboro. And when I say a fire, I mean there's actually damage. So you're out of your business, you're out of your home.
State Fire Marshal Brian Taylor tells WXII Guilford County had the highest fire death rate in the last 3 years. He adds there was a fatal fire hours before the statewide campaign started.
We had a double fatality in Pitt County just yesterday with no working smoke alarm. That could have been prevented with a working smoke alarm and a plan.
As for Price, she's thankful they are looking out for their safety.
It makes you feel like the community cares about the people that live here.
In Greensboro, Star Connor, WXII 12 News.